Hi guys! Welcome to our channel EatPrayLoveTravel, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Pico Sands Hotel. At i-check natin kung ano ang kanilang promos for December or discounts or activities na ino-offer sa mga guests during Pasko and New Year. So later we're going to check also kung ano yung kanilang available na rates or promo rates for December. So we're going inside Pico Sands Hotel. This is located inside Pico de Loro Beach Resort. Ay, may kultura din pala dito sa loob, bukod dun sa main beach. And this is their Christmas tree. Si Nemo nandiyan. May Pico restaurant din dito. First time namin actually pumasok dito sa Pico Sands. Oh. Kasi since we're living in Tagaytay, so hindi kami nag-overnight. This is their Alfresco area ng hotel. This is the area also na nagaganapan ng breakfast nila. No? Hello.
Hello.
So, kakain muna tayo ng ice cream. Gelato, 190. Tingnan natin kung ano mga flavors. Ito yung mga menu nila here sa restaurant.
You want to eat here later?
Yeah, I want Italian menu.
That's the menu.
Would you want to try the margarita moment?
You check that.
Kasi
Can't wear.
I mean, just go. I just go, but
It has a 2 queen size bed facing the mountain. Usually, this one is maximum of 4 adults. Pwede.
Okay.
Meron din kami nito na lagoon view. Kumbaga, ayan po yung mga family.
Okay.
Same, ano lang din po. Same category but different.
Can we open?
Sige lang, ma'am.
Para kung pupunta kami, magkakaroon na
Hindi ko buksan. Mountain view ito.
Yes po. Ang so, 1 queen size bed.
So this is the mountain view area. Okay.
Ayun naman usually yung pang coffee.
Thank you.
Sige.
Let's try to close it. Yeah, sorry.
Sige lang. And then, yan, ito naman po, compared to the premier room, meron naman to 2 double bed. Medyo maliit lang yung bed niya.
Okay. The deluxe room is the standard room for...
No, we have a standard room which is this one.
Mm-hmm.
Standard natin is a 1 queen size bed facing the mountain without balcony.
Okay.
Tapos ito connecting din, ano?
Opo, meron kaming dire-diretsong room na magkakakonect yan, ma'am.
Talaga.
Connect.
Oo nga. And also facing the mountain. Is there a difference sa rate kapag
Yes,
facing...
meron, ma'am.
Meron, no?
Mm-mm.
Nice.
Kapag yung family, like for example, mga 12, ganyan, ito ang mga kinukuha nila.
Dire-diretso.
Magkakaibang kategory nga lang.
Kasi minsan option mo yung B&B na
Opo.
2-bedroom eh.
Ito yan, connect.
Ito. Ayan.
Yan. So, dito naman po is, meron siyang living area.
Yeah,
And then this one po,
nice.
meron na din siyang Nespresso. Ito po, powder room sa baba. May Nespresso machine na siya. Tapos this one, the sofa po, nako-convert siya. Yung sofa bed, nako-convert into bed.
Good for ilan ito?
Ito ma'am ay kaya ng 5 persons.
Okay.
Kung may bata naman.
Pero kung
maliit pa,
halimbawa mag-exceed sila na extra packs, pasok naman.
no,
Papaalam
medyo
nyo.
mahigpit lang ma'am when it
Ah,
comes to
so-
number of person talaga dito. Sa 7th floor, baka gusto nyo din pong ano.
Oo. Ito magkano ito pag binook?
Ito po ay nag-iiba-iba kasi wala po kaming tariff rate.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
we can check downstairs later. Oo. Kasi kaya ng extra bed pa. Kunyari po, naka-sofa bed sa baba. Kaya mo ng another extra bed. Tapos dito, another bed pa ulit.
Maganda to pag binook natin.
Pagkano?
Mamaya malaman natin.
Tapos, ito din po, ang ganda pa ng view po dito. Ay.
Oh, nice. Oo nga, no?
Yan po, parang ang bed. Sa baba, may isa kang yung sofa bed. Tapos isang another bed. Tapos dito, pwede ka pa mag-isa pang bed.
Tapos may balcony na rin sa baba.
Sa baba lang ang balcony na.
Maganda dito ah. Thank you. May parking daw.
Okay. They have this promo of Sofiyaki hot pot. Hindi pala promo. Parang they're offering 350 for 3 packs na. And ito yung kanilang menu here at Lagoa. So, masyadong madami. But basically, they have starter, salad, soup, noodles, veggies, mains, dessert, and beverage. So, somehow, yung mga prices, it ranges from ito, 480 for the veggies. And then for the main, they have 1,000 up to 580, parang something like that. For the noodles, they have 600, and salad at 460. So, somehow, yun ang mga range ng food nila. 1,000 pesos. They also have pizzas and sandwiches, pasta. So, I think sinaserve to sa poolside. So, ayan. Nachos at 460. Sandwiches, pasta is 450. And then, pizza, they also have at 650. And what else? Ayan, mga sweets at 350. So, somehow yun yung mga price ranges nila. It's a fried chicken na parang buffalo wings with ginger and garlic. And then, for our mains, we ordered beef broccoli. Favorite ko yung beef broccoli. And steamed fish and ginger sesame sauce. And for our inumin, we ordered ripe mango and shake it up. I would like to thank everyone who availed our Klook promo, which is EPLT 5 off. Kasi nag-notify na si Klook kung ano yung mga pinurchase ng mga nag-avail ng aming promo code. So, thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-purchase using our Klook promo code. Ito yung mga in-avail nila, yung sa Victoria Peak, yung sa Ngongping, Manila Ocean Park, Hong Kong Wi-Fi, and then what else? Shibuya Sky ticket, Hong Kong Airport Express tickets, and then Skyliner Narita Airport Express tickets, Japan Shinkansen and train ticket, Hong Kong Tourist Octopus card, Shibuya Sky ticket kung nasabi ko na yun, and a lot more. So we'd like to thank everyone for using our Klook promo code. Till the next travel. Bye guys.